No, he's not. Is he really going to make music with all of their tools now? Always welcome to...
Reviews, reaction, satisfaction.
Today's video, we get to see two things that I love: Village Cooking Channel and a good Vox by D.A. Vasanth. All right. Anyhow, thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be the Village Cooking Channel Vox. And this is by D.A. Vasanth. His channel is called The Musical Rowdy. He's also on Isapetai. You guys can go check out both channels. I'll leave them both in the description. Links down in the description. But this is... yeah, Village Cooking Vox, dude. This is going to be great. I cannot wait to see what this is. Anyway, please like Panaga, share Panaga, and we'll get this started. Here we go. I'm really excited.
அதுக்கு பிரியாணி செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. Always welcomes you.
Always welcomes you. Village Cooking Vox. Dav, or we're just going to call him Dav. I like it, D.A. Vasanth, Dav.
செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா.
This is clever.
பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி. செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி. ஆட்டுக்கோழி பொரியல். எலங்கா கறி. காவேரி கேசரி. சம்பா போடுறது அல்வா. செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். எல்லாரும் வாங்க.
Dude, D.A. Vasanth, how do you do this, dude? He literally wrote a song to their energy, to their vocal, like just them talking with their energy that they bring every time. Village Cooking, the one reason I love their channel is because their energy level. They just bring so much positivity, energy, excitement to cooking. And then D.A. Vasanth just takes this and he makes a song with it. Dude, this is insane. Oh my gosh.
சம்பா போடுறது அல்வா. செம்மயா சமைக்கிறோம், பயங்கரமா ருசிக்கிறோம். எல்லாரும் வாங்க. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. Always welcomes you. Always welcomes you. Always welcomes you.
Always welcomes you.
எல்லாரும் வாங்க. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. Always
Welcomes you.
மங்களகரமா மஞ்சள்ல ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்.
No, he's not. Is he really going to make music with all of their tools now? He's going to make music with their tools. Let's go back.
மோகமா இருக்கு. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. முழு நாட்டு கோழி. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. நறுக்கிற வெங்காயம். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி. Always. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி.
My cheeks hurt. I'm smiling so much.
இன்னைக்கு ஒரு புட்டி. கறிவேப்பிலை பட்டை வகை. Always welcomes you. அருமையான சாப்பாடு. எக்கு முக்கா இருக்கு.
Always welcomes you.
எல்லாரும் வாங்க. எல்லாரும் வாங்க. Always welcomes you.
Oh, that was so good. Oh, that might be one of my favorites, D.A. Vasanth. Might be one of my favorites. You put together some amazing videos. You put some amazing Voxes together, including a Dad's Den Vox. You made one for me. That one might be, it's close to my favorite. I mean, the one you made for me is definitely my favorite. I'm going to be real. That one's my favorite because it's the best one. It is. But this one is so stinking good. It is so good. Oh, wow. That was great. Absolutely great. Village Cooking Channel. I love you guys. Dav, if that's what we're calling you now because you're D-A-V, you are D.A. Vasanth. I mean, hey, and Satish, you guys, I love you guys, man. You guys just absolutely kill it. I don't even know what to say. That made me so happy. My cheeks hurt. I was smiling so much, like right here. You know the muscles in your cheek, the little muscles right there. Oh, they hurt from smiling. Oh my gosh, great stuff, man. Great stuff. Village Cooking Channel. I can't wait. Hopefully you guys will come to California one day and we can hang out. I can't wait to cook with you. I cannot wait to eat with you. I cannot wait to meet you guys, give you hugs, and just because I'm a hugger. So you're going to have to hug me. I cannot wait. This is going to be great. And then the musical rowdy, as they call him, D.A. Vasanth. Go check out his channel, you guys. Joe, check out his channel. Link will be down in the description. I want you to subscribe, and I want you to go to this video and leave a message and say, Dad sent me over here. Ken sent me over here. To show you some love. So anyway, all right guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye.